Hello, I'm Selim and I will talk about SendGuard. SendGuard is a Gemini agent that validates your audience when you want to send a campaign and cleans it for you. If you ask me why I came up with this idea, it's because I worked with Salesforce Marketing Cloud for more than 10 years and I have seen many cases that we either send to wrong people or unsubscribe people or duplicates, like there were many issues in my career with Salesforce Marketing Cloud. And you can actually run SQL queries in Marketing Cloud. However, when the data gets bigger or when the emails are sent by marketeers, which are like who are non-technical people, it gets trickier. That's why I wanted to create this agent basically that they can use to send the campaigns and they can validate the audience before sending it. I want to show quickly the architecture. So we have BigQuery part sitting in Google Cloud, and then we have Google Cloud Run, basically having SendGuard agent made with ADK, Google ADK. And the important part is FiveTran is basically in the middle. So with SFMC connector, it reads data from SFMC. But also with activations, it writes back to SFMC after cleaning the data. So the idea is that using FiveTran is like the intermediate integration layer. And if we go back to agent, we have this little prompt. It's like, I want you to like check this audience, the called campaign audience. I want you to validate and clear it. And it uses FiveTran MCP. So basically, with the help of it, it can understand if the sync is okay, how is the health of sync, like if the data extensions are like synced in the right way and everything. And it also like basically says like Salesforce Marketing Cloud and BigQuery Warehouse parts, basically they both show 200,000 records. So it's like there is no issue, no records are like lost in that sense. And it also like checks the audience, like I see like some duplicates, I see some unsubscribed members. So it basically like it basically says that yeah, like it basically analyzes it in the right way. So it asks like, do you want me to like push the clean version? And I'm like, yes. Oh, actually, like before that, I can do something more. I can just run this. So it's like basically I'm deleting some records from the pipeline so that I'm trying to understand if it's gonna find that too. So now like, can you check one more time with warehouse? I'm just showing you that like when there are like some records are missing in the warehouse, can it check, can it find it? And after that, I will give the approval to push it to Marketing Cloud with the help of activations in FiveTran. As you can see, it basically says like some records are missing, and it also like recommends like a resync. But I'm like, no need for resync. Please push the let's say agent results DE into SFMC. And this is the last part of the demo. I think this is really important for understanding like how the agent works as well. So the agent said like there are like around this many of records. And then it was like, unfortunately, I cannot push these records to Marketing Cloud because of these reasons. So it basically gave me the next steps as well, which was really good. And then I ran the activation sync one more time from the dashboard. And at the end, I could see the results here too. So my point is that's the end of the demo. And at the end, the marketer could basically have the records and like if it's a problem, if it's validated, like everything as you can see is here as well. So that was the end of the video. Thank you very much for listening to me. and I wish the best.